Kids, let's go learn the colors all together. Red, green, yellow, blue, orange, purple, pink shine too. Let's sing the colors one by one. Learning colors is so much fun. Red is the apple, shiny and bright. Green are the leaves, dancing in light. Yellow is lemon, fresh and sweet. Blue is the sky where clouds meet. Orange is carrot, crunchy and strong. Purple like grapes all day long. Pink like flowers, soft and sweet. Colors make our world complete. Let's sing the colors, clap along, all together in this song. Colors happy, colors true, learning colors bright with you. Red is the apple, shiny and bright. Green are the leaves, dancing in light. Yellow is lemon, fresh and sweet. Blue is the sky where clouds meet. Let's sing the colors, clap along, all together in this song. Colors happy, colors true, learning colors bright with you. Black, white, brown and gray, we see them on a cloudy day. But then the rain goes drifting past, and suddenly the colors blast. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple and in between. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple and in between. Red is apples and fire trucks, ladybugs and hiking backpacks, hot red soup and dragon scales, ripe strawberries and red snails. Orange like the autumn trees, oranges swaying in the breeze. Goldfish swim and foxes leap, and orange leaves piled ankle deep. Yellow like the shining sun, lemons, bees on the run. Raincoats splashing on the street, corn on cobs and mango sweet. Green is grass beneath our toes, snakes and vines and peas and rose. Caterpillars crawling slow, spinach leaves and mint that grow. Blue is whales and ocean waves, bluebirds gliding over caves. Jeans we wear in sky so high, raindrops falling from the sky. Purple petals royal and bold, grapes in bunches rich and cold. Plums and paints a twilight hue, purple balloons and eggplants too. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple and in between. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple and in between.
Elephant,
umbrella, U, umbrella. V is for violin, V, V, violin, B, violin, violin, do, violin. W is for whale, 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 whale. X is for xylophone, X, xylophone, X, xylophone. Y, I is for yo, 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 yo. Z is for zebra, Z, Z, zebra, Z, 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 zebra, Z, zebra. A to Z, A to Z, A to Z.
A is for asparagus, asparagus.
This is asparagus.
Asparagus. B is for broccoli, broccoli. This is broccoli, broccoli.
C is for carrot.
Carrot. This is carrot, carrot.
D is for drumstick.
Drumstick. This is drumstick, drumstick.
E is for endive.
Endive. This is endive, endive.
F is for fennel.
Fennel. This is fennel, fennel.
G is for garlic.
Garlic. This is garlic, garlic.
H is for horseradish.
Horseradish. This is horseradish, horseradish. I is for iceberg lettuce, iceberg lettuce. This is iceberg lettuce, iceberg lettuce.
J is for jicama.
Jicama. This is jicama, jicama.
K is for kale.
Kale. This is kale, kale. L is for leek, leek. This is leek, leek.
M is for mushroom.
Mushroom. This is mushroom, mushroom. N is for no-pow, no pow. This is no-pow, no pow. O is for okra, okra. This is okra, okra.
P is for potato.
Potato. This is potato, potato.
Q is for quinoa leaves.
Quinoa leaves. These are quinoa leaves, quinoa leaves.
R is for radish.
Radish. This is radish, radish.
S is for spinach.
Spinach. This is spinach, spinach.
T is for turnip.
Turnip. This is turnip, turnip. U is for uluco, uluco. This is uluco, uluco. V is for vegetable marrow, vegetable marrow. This is vegetable marrow, vegetable marrow. W is for wasabi, wasabi. This is wasabi, wasabi.
X is for salach.
Salach. This is alach, salach.
Y is for yam.
Yum. This is yum, yum.
Z is for zucchini.
Zucchini. This is zucchini, zucchini.